Well, you can see outside here. Sure is a rainy spring, I'll tell you that. Grass has gotten green and plants are coming up everywhere. Still cold up and down in the temperatures, I'm telling you that. Everything's coming in good though. I'm getting ready for that weather. Right out there. Trying to grow some plants in the house right now. Not much going on here. Haven't really been doing much or anything lately. Just I'm gonna have some more videos on that coming soon. Piece of junk. And I'll tell you why. See, it's cold and windy. I don't know if you can hear that. Misting out. So yeah, rainy spring.